Hello guys, so I'm in the restroom at the dentist and my mom and my brother told me that the dryer's awesome and it's freaking strong. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. And then we put our hands and stuff in there and it's like so freaking strong. Look. Okay, now look. Okay, did you see that? That's like, whoa. It's like extra skin, man. And now I'm gonna put my face under there because I would do that. Okay, here we go.